Glacier National Park, day 2. Driving the Going to the Sun road. Hitting the first tunnel. Look, there's glaciers out there. Woo. Wow, there's little... waterfall. There's some cars going by for perspective. The waterfall actually goes under the road, runs all the way down the mountain.
Wow.
We are at the beautiful Logan Pass Visitor Center. Look at those little guys. Colombian ground squirrels.
That's where sushi's there.
Hidden Lake Trailhead. There he is. He's all blurry, but he's there. It's a bear. It's a grizzly.
That one over there.
It's pretty.
Mr. Grizzly Bear.
That's 4, huh? 5 bits this week?
3.
So 2 at once, the hot meter, so 1 bite, 7.
Heaven, your first bear in the wild. What'd you think?
Awesome.
Yeah. What'd you think, Jelly? So awesome. First grizzly bear in the wild. And looky there, it's a wild jelly bean. Well, we thought he was dead, and then he moved a little bit. There's a mountain goat sleeping out here on the ice. This way? He's following you, Jelly. Oh. You go. These views are awesome. And it's been quite the wildlife. We've seen multiple of the ground squirrels, the Colombian ground squirrel they got here. Heard marmots, saw a mountain goat, saw a grizzly bear. We're like half a mile into this thing. Now, time to walk on the snow. Looks beautiful like a picture, but what you probably can't see without zooming in.
1, 2, 3.
Waterfall. Whole series of falls. Views are changing. Look at all the lines. Look at how all the things are like rippled, like layered out. Even over there, it almost looks like a tiered garden. Here he comes.
Hi.
Here we have another one with a baby on the other side. This one's looking at me though.
There's one right there.
Was die grote nou? Nou, dus.
Look at this little guy. He's trying to get at that little cheese puff down there. Another big goat. Hidden Lake was cool. What'd you think of Hidden Lake?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wish we could get closer to it, but guess that's not possible right now.
Nope, trail going down is closed due to bear activity. Wow, more wildlife. Bighorn sheep.
No. Well, you can slice them out.
Let's run closer to these guys.
I think Stone can, like, probably open up the box.
That is almost 9,000 foot tall, Heaven's Peak. Heaven's Peak. Heaven's Peak. Well, that was fun. Got some neat pictures. Get to walk through the tunnel, stand by the waterfall, got to see Heaven's Peak. I think that at this point, we're probably just going to head on back to our campsite. And when we left this morning, we had to basically just leave everything there. So we didn't have time to set everything up. The people that were camping there ahead of us were still set up. So we're going to head back, get camp set up, and then see. We might take a small hike this evening after supper. I don't know. We will just have to see, because I got to get up pretty early in the morning to go get our backcountry permit starting on Wednesday. Woo. Did you like your peak, Heaven? Just a beautiful Monday evening here in Glacier National Park. Enjoying the alpenglow on the mountains over Lake McDonald, which is pretty sweet too.